But big up on yourself and go and have fun. Don't be a stranger to Jamaica, walk by you know, Tell on a friend. No go wet up, let me catch you, no go wet up. No go wet up, man. Go wet up, man. No go on in the water, man. Why, me no know about that morass thing there, no, them debris something here. I don't know about it, because I like swim out my eye. What's she gone? What's your name again? I go beat her out now. Abigail. Look on her now. She run gone. Eh? What's the never say fish learn to walk? Eh? Wanna go wet up? Wanna go and go wet up? Come on, crew wet up. Crew wet up, no man. Alright, so Narsha, and she's going in. And she's failing the water. The water warm still, man. Whoa! Got you. Oh, easy, massive. Big up every time and respect and blessings. You don't know all my Jamaica massive. All my Jamaicans, you don't know all my people from abroad, all my foreigners. You don't know one love. Blessed New Year's to everybody. You understand? More life, more strength. And I wish everybody more strength, more prosperity, more riches, more wealth, health. You don't know. Big up every time. So here one me now. Welcome to another episode on Jamaica Walk By. And right now we're standing up right on the outskirts of Fort Clarence Beach. You see me I say right on the outskirts of Portmore, like you know, Hellshire Beach. So that is the road leading to the roundabout, and you can just keep left and go to straight along to Hellshire Beach. And if you continue on this road, you don't know Fort Clarence is the beach right before you reach Waves Beach. So you just take the right there, and you go around and you reach a Waves Beach, and you have a next beach around there again. I think it's named Boardwalk. You see me? So right now we are going to do Fort Clarence Beach. You know, back in the days I used to do all of the big show them and be things normally keep. So them do a little renovation to the place and things. So that we want to showcase today. And it is one of my preferable choice of place when it comes down to beach, because guess what? Them have food. You understand? Them have place, they have restroom. You understand? They have place where you can wash off and take a bath after, you know, that long day in the sea water and the sun and all of that. So you can go in your vehicle well clean and crisp. That's where Fort Clarence give. And the place have a lot of shades, a whole heap of tree and bathing. So trees galore. And they have brilliant parking will come along with security and all of that. So you don't know what they're on the outskirts of Fort Clarence Beach. You don't know how I said a big man here. They are going to sell the jelly, the key in there. You don't know, you know, so from Jamaica Walk By. Me not go see them thing and pass it. No way. So the man did it right. So you know, say on my way out, you know, me have to go cap two of them jelly here, because I don't know a thing go. Some key in. Why is you have me, General? Or the pine them sell off. Yes, so the man come out ducked out to the table. John Star. Them key in ya. Yeah. Watch your man, so you can just stand up and just have a jelly. You see, what the man name? Robbie. Robbie. Oh, big up Robbie. Yo, Robbie, where you far from? Boardwalk. Alright. Big up all my Boardwalk massive. You don't know, Robbie out here and the juggling. You see me? So all the massive, if you see him anytime on the street, I look like he's a mobile fruits man. You don't know him have all him pipe water and bathing for wash him, man. Keep it clean. You don't know, and after that we have to say scene. So right about now we are going over the place, because you don't know Fort Clarence. I know it's not a narrating video, but it's going to show you what go on as we roll through. Place kind of busy over the crowded, the parking lot full, and a bunch of things are happening. You see me? So right now I'm going to check it out. Yo, Robbie, big up every time, see? Big up somebody, no man. So you're a Christian. That is it. Which church you go? Pentecostal church. Pentecostal fire is burning. Alright, big up Linstead Pentecostal and all the massive there. Pastor who? Big up Pastor Otto. Great man. Alright, big up yourself, Robbie. We outside. Yeah, you don't know my style already. Me all naturally know. Me can't be nobody else except me. You see me? So we'll move along and we're going to check out the property and things. So remember, if you watch this far and you don't like it, please me ask if you start like the video right about now. Drop them comment then, man. Me a wait. Bust some fire signal. If I even some emoji, that will do. You understand? like the video so YouTube can recommend it straight. Yes, a massive listen. We are now an Amazon affiliate. We are in the Amazon affiliate program and we are an Amazon influencer. So here, man, you're gonna see a link to our Amazon store in the description. Please, maybe go check it out and just buy something. Yeah, that's all I can say. Alright, so here we are forward to the parking lot. I'm showing a little bit of how the parking lot set up. So once you drive through, you don't know security let you through the gate and you go get a parking. It's secure parking, massive. No jokes. Oh, see there? As you can look, center camera, there's a security walking right now. Yep. See? Parking lot. Full. You see me? Very massive parking lot. Can't come here and see and get no parking. The parking lot is very, very huge. And a few security well corral the parking lot. So from your forward inside 4 o'clock, just veer to your left. And that's the parking lot. So we are go over the beach right about now. Oh, and another thing now. So once you park and forward inside, you just come through to your left. You will actually, that's where you buy your ticket and so on. To enter the premises. Yeah. Yeah, so after you pay and thing and you get your tickets, so for the tickets them now it's adult $1,000 and children under the age of 12 years old is free, and for children over the age of 12 years old to 18 years old it's $500. See? So yeah, or let me say that again. Adults are $1,000 and oh yeah, children under the age of 12-year-old is $500. Babies like toddlers and so on are free. Yeah, that's supposed to make sense. Because we came here with what? 2 adults and 1 child 9 years old and she paid $500. So yeah, that is it. But they really want to big up the birthday girl. How she gone? Alright, even better because I'm not sure how the copyright thing I go do it right here, so with the talking. Anyways, but massive we're there with some ladies, you don't know, celebrate one of them friend birthday and thing. Yeah, the birthday girl actually gone. Them no look so shy. No look so shy at all, because me have one rule: beautiful ladies don't shy. It's not in the rule. We don't play that game there. We don't play, there's no other option. Because you're beautiful, you're not shy. You're bold and fluent and everything, nice. We don't have nothing to shy about. What's your name? Michaela. Big up yourself, Michaela. Which school you go? Say that again? Holy child, oh, bright girl. Alright, big up yourself. What's your, same to you too? Oh, alright, big up on the tape. Now say I can buck her up down the stairs, see? What on them? They roll out, you know. Draft board, loaded upon that. Them go sugar spice cake. Them go bucket of chicken. Them go soda. Oh, me no see no Coca-Cola. Wagwan. Watch your bag. So them roll out on the picnic for the birthday girl. Mad something. Alright, I stop invading the time now. I'm so far. wish I know did at the birthday girl. A she? Yeah, me kinda did a really, I wonder now. Alright, so you're gonna get your official big up here now, you know. Alright. So why you not come out in your bath suit for jumping in the water and basing thing? So what's your name?
My name is Narja.
Say that again? Narja. Alright, so right now massive video Portland Clarence Beach and today's Narja birthday. I want everybody to just comment right now, say happy birthday Narja. There might be no spelling name right, you know. So you're not, me know me not gonna spell it right. So you probably have to go just link me on the Jamaica Walk by Instagram and me can put in your name properly. So Narja, where you from? Kingston, big, you know. Waltham, so big up all the Waltham Park, massive. Narja out here for your birthday. She and the crew, big up your friend. Abigail, big up yourself. Out and clean. Your other friends gonna go old in childhood. Is that right? Immaculate. You go immaculate, who go? Oh, and the other one them go with school. Queen, oh yes! That is what they said. Queens are so, yeah. So, big up yourself, you come out, good door. Big up mommy and daddy, no?
Big up mommy and daddy.
Mommy and daddy nana name again. Yo!
Marcia and Robert.
You say big up mommy Marcia, big up daddy Robert. You don't know, so Jamaica Walk by massive, it's just a vibe. We say, Portmore Beach is just a beach of choice, or what? Why not choose the beach here? Yeah, that me normally think, say, when time I like a private beach, like, yeah, you know, go so full, but
And
not.
then we thought we could have been out yesterday and not today.
Oh, shit, not today. Place pack, place ram, massive, no joke. So, you don't know Narja, big up yourself, you and the crew, you come out here for celebrating a friend's birthday, I love that. See, oh, we just get joined by Leanna. Oh, pretty name, like that name there now. Leanna just joined. You don't know all queens, massive, big up on yourself, all immaculate, right? Immaculate, massive, and wool blouses. Is that queens? Alright, so we're there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel now. And link me on Instagram so I can know say you, I can spell your name right. I ain't come beat me, say, look how the man spell my name wrong. Spell one sin look like a Spanish. Say what? Rowan? Yeah! So Rowan or Rowan? Rowan sound like one man name, you know. What's a unisex name? I not give my daughter no unisex name. One she a girl, boy a boy. You understand? So what? 5th farm, 4th farm, 3rd farm? Boom man. Wanna look little than me think. No joke. But well, that is great enough for the age now show. You know, say a mad thing that you know. You know, say one time I'm 35 years when I look like something just not even that's so much. But big up on yourself and go and have fun. Don't be a stranger to Jamaica Walk by you know, Tell on a friend. When I go wet up, let me catch you no go wet up. When I go wet up man. Go wet up man. When I go on in the water man. Why me don't know about that morass thing there now, them debris something here. I don't know about it, you know, because I like swim out my eye. What's she gone? What's she name again? I go beat her out now. Abigail. Look on her now. She run gone. Eh? They say never say fish and learn to walk. Eh? When I go wet up. When I go and go wet up. Come on, crew wet up. Crew wet up, no man. Alright, so Narja, and she's going in. And she's failing the water. The water warm still, man. Whoa! Got you. Alright, that is it. Them touch the water. You not touch it. Sit there running in your dark glass. Remember, the link me up on Instagram so I can spell the name right. See? Jamaica Walk by. Right. Big up every time. You get my mad respect. You're welcome. You must even know me always natural every time. What you see is what I get, what is happening, because you know me did see them earlier with Polly cake and things on the decks, as you can see, previously, and them just tell me say I feel her birthday and me don't wonder what she there, because I found she wasn't there, so yeah. Glad me buck up in her back to give her a nice shout out. Huh? Water warm, massive. Can see them do a lot of beach clean up and thing, but trust me, still a lot of debris. Oh, the water feel nice and warm still. We now go around the door. Yeah. Sweet water for swimming now. No joke. The water warm, man. Oh, shut chimney, so. And look at you not going there yet, you know. Touch the water, man. Yeah, like that. Yo, but look down here so clean, massive. Right down here so me a fall can swim. Right down here so clean. So, center camera as you can see now is the borderline for Fort Clarence Beach and Waves Beach. Yeah, Waves Beach now is a free beach. You don't know them do all the things over the same way, but I don't remember if they add up. Yes, they do. I don't think Waves free either. Yeah, man. Don't quote me on that still, but I don't think Waves free to go inside because I think that bathroom and thing now. Or the rest room. Yeah, over the park too. As a matter of fact, hey, walking time now. Cause me I go over there. Me I go over Waves. What's the war go on? I could do a quick roll through of Waves, even though Waves is not the featured place today. massive over here says Boardwalk. Don't know, we now walk out Boardwalk. I go back over 4 clients because I know this is my plan to feature today. Alright, I know so now I go ask. So let me just do a little scan through a Boardwalk and that will be it, and then we just walk back through waves. Yeah. Boardwalk. Yeah, so this is Boardwalk entrance, you know? Yeah. And the parking lot over there. Alright, so I can walk through here, so now. Yeah. looks of things, look at there was a fire over here. idea of what the place is like. Seems like a section by Waves Beach burned down. You understand? Yeah. So it seems like a section of Waves Beach burned down. I know that there was a stage here and there and stuff like that. Yeah. So it's crazy. Hope nobody never get hurt or injured in that. So back by Fort Clarence, and we are going and through the rest of things. Because so I go on. Yeah. So all the kids out, ladies out, the man them out same way. Anyway, the ladies are, the man them are there. You know that, the way of life, especially in Jamaica. Uh-huh. Pretty white sun. Yes, massive, big up every time. So yeah, just about beautiful. You don't know. That was a great walk for me. So I'm sure someone are gonna enjoy it. You understand? I'm sure say Uno supposed to enjoy it as well. Alright, so watch me now. We are about to close. Yeah, make a pass through the area. Yeah, massive. So some of the part them have to turn off the mic and thing because they don't know copyright is a thing. You understand? Be it your bad. So massive. It's about the end. I was still in the parking lot. I say parking lot full, massive. Full. So yeah. Big up every time to everybody who stay tuned and watch the entire video. You don't know respect and manners every time. We're signing out. If you watched thus far and you're not yet subscribed, please may I ask if you subscribe. Please may I ask if you like the video. Leave a comment. Fort Clarence Beach. Big up every time. And we're out in fine style. Yes, and I do recommend this beach. Yeah. Big up. Massive parking. We out.